Want the best gaming experience on your Sony Bravia TV? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect your PS5 correctly. If this guide helps you today, consider liking the video, subscribing, and sharing your experience in the comments below. Before starting, make sure your PS5, Sony Bravia TV, HDMI cable, and controller are ready nearby. Place all your equipment in an organized setup area so the connection process becomes quick and simple. Take the HDMI cable that came with your PlayStation 5 or another high-quality HDMI cable. Connect one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI out port on your PS5 console. Next, connect the other end of the HDMI cable into an available HDMI port on your Sony Bravia TV. Now connect the power cable to your PS5 and ensure it is plugged into a working outlet. Double-check all connections so everything is secure before turning on your devices. Press the power button on the PlayStation 5 to start the console. If your TV shows no signal, don't worry because we still need to select the correct input. Grab your Sony Bravia remote control and press the input or source button. A list of HDMI inputs should appear on your television screen. Select the HDMI port where you connected your PlayStation 5 console. Within a few moments, you should see the PlayStation startup screen appear. This confirms the HDMI connection between your PS5 and Sony Bravia TV is working properly. Now it's time to connect your DualSense controller to complete the setup process. Use a USB cable to connect the controller directly to the PlayStation 5. Follow the instructions shown on screen to continue the pairing process. Press the PS button on your controller when the system asks you to do so. After pairing is complete, you'll arrive at the PS5 home screen. From here, you can customize settings for better picture quality and gaming performance. Open the Settings menu and look for the Screen and Video section. This area allows you to adjust display resolution, HDR, and other visual options. If your Sony Bravia TV supports HDR, enable it for richer colors and improved contrast. You should immediately notice more vibrant and realistic visuals during gameplay. Now launch your favorite game and verify that everything runs smoothly. Check both picture quality and sound output to make sure the setup is complete. That's it. Your PS5 is now connected to your Sony Bravia TV and ready for an amazing gaming experience.